Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 50 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. As you can see, I'm still in my car because my mother still has a complaining neighbor. But when I get home to Slovakia, you'll see me in a regular surrounding. However, until then, I am not stopping my Marchesi exercises. So we're here in the car. And this presents all sorts of new challenges, but that's okay because we're going to get through it with exercise number 67.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Now, just like exercise number 66, exercise 67 is insanely hard for me because the notes are really small. I have to look. I don't really practice these ahead of time. I sort of practice them a couple of times to get my bearings and then record them. So right now I'm doing a lot of looking, and you might want to do some looking too, because don't assume you know the direction these notes are going. They change every single measure and they are not the same. They're not just a direct inversion of what happened on exercise 66. So really take a look, take your time, get the notes right. That's the primary purpose, is getting the notes right. So don't make this a speed test yet, okay? I'm sure as I continue along practicing things like this, I can get this faster and faster. But for right now, I'm going to take this a nice slow tempo and making sure all those notes and all those turns are in the right direction. And here is exercise 67. Breathe.